Okay, here's a unit review over the fourth unit. Okay, write an equation for this table. Okay, make a line, put equals v. This is your dependent variable, so it goes there. Now it starts at 331 plus, and then I need a rate of change, and it's times by the c. Okay. Now here's how you find what's multiplied by c. It's really quite easy. Okay. 340 minus 337 is 3. 15 minus 10 is 5. So it's 3 over 5. And that's 3, and that's 5. Oh, same thing. That's 3, and that's 5. 3 over 5. So 3/5 is your multiplier. Okay? So it's called the rate of change. Find what that changes by, find what that, this has to go on top though. Okay? Now you can take 3 divided by 5, okay? You could put 0.6 if you want, it's right. I just don't want those decimals that just go on and on and on. So you can either put 3/5 or 0.6, I don't care, okay? 331 plus 0.6 times c equals v. Okay, is it linear or non-linear? Well, if we get the same thing every time, it's linear. Okay, so that's 4, that's 2. So it's 4 over 2. Okay, 3 minus negative 1, it's plus plus, so that's 4. 2 minus negative 1 plus plus, that's, or wait a second, I messed that up. 1 minus negative 1 plus plus, that's 2. Okay. Negative 1 minus negative 5. Remember, you're minusing it. Plus plus, that's 4. And then negative 1 minus negative 3. Plus plus, that's 2. Okay. Okay, so it's the same thing. That's a linear. Okay, 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. So that's good. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus 1. Okay, right away we know it's nonlinear. Okay, domain and range story problem. My car gets 42 miles per gallon of gas. My gas tank can hold 15 gallons. Find the domain and range of the relationship. Then do we have a continuous or a discrete function? Okay. Kind of told you what x and y are. X is the gallons. Y is the miles, because miles per gallon, there's miles within a gallon, so it's always y within x, okay? 0, 1, 2, usually I go to 3 on these. So if you have 0 gallons of gas, you don't get any miles. If you have 1 gallon, 1 times 42 is 42. 2 gallons, 2 times 42 is 84, and then 3 gallons, 3 times 42 is 126. Now there's a limit, okay? Limit's 15 gallons, and take 15 times 42, 630. So that's the end of the table. It can't go any further because there's a limit. So the domain is 0 to 15, and the range is from 0 to 630. Now continuous or discrete. Pick 2.5. Can you put 2.5 gallons of gas in your car? Yes, you can. So a decimal is okay. Don't cross that out. So that's a continuous function. Okay, number 4, graph the function. Again, you have 2 ways I've taught you how to do this. You can do your MB, slope, y-ant. Slope would be negative 4 over 1, plus 3 is the y-ant. That's a quicker way. You can also use a table where you put 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, and then write the function, what the function equals, negative 4x plus 3. Okay, then I put times and just put 2 over the x. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, plus 3 is negative 5. Okay. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4, plus 3 is negative 1. You pick the way you want to do it, okay? Times 0 plus 3 is 3. Times times negative 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. And then 8 plus 3 is 11. So I got negative 5, negative 1, 3, 7, 11. Now if you use slope y-intercept, you just go up 3. Then you go down 4, forward 1. Make your line. Now if you use a table, you're gonna have, it's gonna be the same line, you'll just have more points. So forward 2, all the points there. Okay, 1 points there. 0, 3, so you don't go forward or back, just up 3. Then you'd have these 2 points here, negative 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative 2, that's off the graph. Now I don't care which method you use, okay, it's up to you. A lot of you like this because it's quicker. Okay, this maybe gives you a better sense of what's happening. Okay, these are easy. Tell whether the graph represents a function. 1, 2, so stop, you have a non-function. Those are discrete points, they're not connected. Okay, now I have a continuous graph. Tell whether it's a function. All you have to do is the line one time, and you cross it once, so that's a function. 1, 2, 3. Yep, that's a function. Okay, and the last page. Identify the domain and range of each relation. Tell whether the relation's a function. So x, y, their coordinate points. So you have negative 2, 8, 3, 5. Any repeats? Nope, that's a function. 5, 6, 12, 6. Okay, so 9, 3, 4, 9. 6, 8, 9.5, 2. Okay. So I have repeats there in the domain. Remember, the range doesn't matter, it's the domain, so it's a non-function. Okay, then our last problem, a bottle holds 48 teaspoons of vanilla. The amount of vanilla remaining in the bottle decreases by 2 teaspoons per batch of cookies. Write a function rule. Easy to write a function rule, okay? A is your dependent variable. The amount starts at 48, okay? Now read, it says decreases by 2, so it'd be minus 2 or plus negative 2, one of the two. Just don't put plus 2 and leave it. And times B.